Remember when the shelves were empty a few years ago? The panic, the fighting over toilet paper and canned beans? Experts are warning that it can happen again, but worse. Supply chains are fragile. Inflation is skyrocketing. The question isn't if a food shortage will happen, it's when. And when it does, will you be the one panic buying the last bag of rice, or will you be safe at home with a full pantry?
Most people live day to day. They have maybe 3 days of food in the house. If the trucks stop rolling, they are in trouble. I used to be like that too. I trusted the system. But then I saw prices double overnight. I saw empty spots on the shelves. I wanted to prepare, but I didn't know where to start. Do I just buy 500 cans of tuna? Where do I put it? How do I stop it from spoiling? I was overwhelmed by doomsday advice that required a bunker and $1 million.
Then I found a practical guide to food shortage preparation for normal families. It wasn't about fear, it was about insurance. It taught me the deep pantry method, buying what you eat and eating what you store, rotating your stock so nothing goes bad. I learned how to use Mylar bags and buckets for 20-year storage of rice and beans. I learned simple preservation skills like canning and dehydrating. It turned prepping from a scary chore into a smart, money-saving lifestyle.
Now, my pantry is my grocery store. When prices go up, I don't care. I bought my food months ago at the cheaper price. If a storm hits, or the grid goes down, or the stores close, my family eats well. We have peace of mind that money can't buy. Being prepared isn't crazy. It's the most responsible thing you can do for your loved ones. Don't wait until the panic starts. By then, it's too late. I've linked the step-by-step food storage guide in the description below. It has checklists, storage charts, and meal plans. Click the link and start building your safety net today. Better safe than sorry.